In this video, you will learn how to use Helium 10 for product research in Canada. Helium 10 is a powerful tool for product research and just as effective for sellers in Canada. To get started, you can use Black Box Helium 10 product research tool to filter products based on specific criteria such as price, sales, volume, and competition levels. By narrowing down your search, you can identify profitable opportunities tailored to Canada. You can also use X-rays, the Chrome extension, to analyze real-time data of any product listed on Amazon, such as their revenue, bestsellers rank, and reviews. This helps to evaluate your market demand and competition directly. With these insights, you can make informed decisions about which product to source, ensuring that you meet local trends and customer preference in Canada. Helium 10 gives you the data-driven approach you need to confidently navigate the product research and successfully launch on Amazon Canada in 2025. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.